Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add signature field on DocuSign. So just head over to apps.docusign.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just click on the Start Now button and DocuSign will start creating an envelope. So in Add Document section, just click on Upload a file. Next, in the recipient section, just also add the name of the person that you want to send the document and make sure that needs to sign is in this option. You can also customize email subject, envelope types, and add an email message. Then once done, just click on next. So we have used here a signature verification form for sample, and if we scroll down, we have here signature above verified by section and also verifying signature section. And in the left panel, we can easily see the signature field that we can easily just drag and drop to the section that we want to add it in. We can also resize this signature field. We can also add a data label, tooltip, location. Then once you're satisfied, just click on send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!